Ling from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today, I'm going to show you a newly MOP 4-room HDB in Compassvale Crescent. Let's go! As you enter this 1,001 square feet home, natural light fills in the space, creating a cozy welcome. This home is beautifully renovated and is in pristine condition. A lot of thought has gone into designing this home. For instance, the bomb shelter has been cleverly hidden behind this facade door, and there are ample storage spaces built to minimize clutter. The wall of one common bedroom has been removed to create this bigger dining area here. And this is such a perfect cozy spot for hosting your friends. Over here, we have a modern open concept kitchen, perfect for young couples or families. If you wish to enclose it, there's flexibility to put in a glass partition and a glass door. If you enjoy baking like the owner, this kitchen with its long island table here will be your little paradise. Moving on, we have a utility yard here for your laundry needs. The direction here is west facing, which is perfect for drying your clothes naturally. The common bedroom here is spacious with no built-ins, so you can easily customize it to your own preference. Here's the master bedroom with the walk-in wardrobe area. The owners have fully utilized this corner to put in wardrobes on both sides and yet leaving plenty of space to move around. The bathroom is nicely concealed behind this panel, which blends in with the wardrobes. You can also do our L-shaped wardrobes tuck in nicely to this panel of wall, leaving you with lots of room to customize this huge space. This bedroom can easily fit in a king-sized bed. This estate is within walking distance to 2 LRT stations and also Sengkang MRT station. There are coffee shop, mini-mart and clinics conveniently located in this estate. For daily necessities, Compass 1, Rivervale Mall and Sengkang are just a few minutes drive away. For parents, there are many reputable primary schools like Nanqiao, Compassvale and Edgefield Primary within 1 kilometers. Loving what you see so far? Call me at 9773-0382 to arrange for the exclusive viewing today. Once again, I'm Ling. Hope to see you soon.